Guys, I wanted to do a video and give you a little discussion about there's some discussion going around when you change oil filters that you should put that sucker in dry and not fill it up with oil. And I'm going to give you my 2 cents worth on that subject. And I'm going to tell you their reasons why and my reasons why and all. They say to put, the reason that they want you, or these guys out on the internet want you to put this oil filter in dry, is all oil gets filtered before it comes out the middle. See, the oil goes in here, goes to the filter media, and comes out here. And everybody out there says, don't put dirty oil inside here. Well, I understand that point. My reasoning that you should put oil in here and fill this up and then put it in is the fact that oil is being pushed back out into the motor, and any air bubbles or air gaps is going to get in between your bearing clearances, and that's when you got air into your oil system, you have problems. And to me, I don't want to scratch a bearing, I don't want to mess up a bearing because of that. And that's why I say to put oil inside here. But when you do that, when you put oil inside here, you need to have a clean funnel. I mean, if you have to, take some brake part cleaner and clean your funnel out. Clean the funnel out and pour clean oil in here. You know, you're not going to take an old rag. I use old t-shirts that I wear out, socks and underwear and stuff like that for my rags, and clean all that stuff out. Put clean oil in here. Try to fill it up as high as possible. Now this filter will fit on the side, so I at least get it halfway up, and then I screw it on because that'll cut down on the amount of oil that leaks out. And when you get oil inside here, you're cutting down on the amount of air that's getting to your bearings, and that's important. And that's the point that I want to get across to you guys. Now the people, like I said, online are always screaming and hollering that they're always right, and sometimes they are and sometimes they ain't. But if you put clean oil inside here, you have no reason that you won't be successful in what you're doing and keeping that motor from blowing up. So think about that. Instead of putting this in dry, clean your funnel and make sure it's clean oil that you're pouring inside there, and fill it up as high as you can, and that'll help you in the long run, I guarantee you that. Anyhow, I thought I'd pass a little wisdom on to you guys. So you guys have a good one, and we'll see you on the next video.